Gigi and Bella Hadid ask for prayers for their hometown during devastating mudslides. Mother Nature sure has put California to the test, first with blazing wildfires and now with life-threatening mudslides. A Southern California rainstorm has sent mud and debris flowing through Santa Barbara County and Montecito. So far, 15 lives have been lost and dozens of people are missing. The area is just 90 miles north of Los Angeles and has ties to a lot of famous folks. Gigi Hadid took to Twitter to ask for prayers, writing, "My beautiful hometown, just after getting through weeks of wildfire, has been hit by a major storm. That river is the 101 freeway. Please keep the families of Santa Barbara in your thoughts and prayers." Bella Hadid shared the same photo on her Instagram with an emotional post that read in part, "My beautiful hometown of Montecito, where my roots were placed, where my mother raised me and my family, completely underwater. I really can't believe it. I am praying and thinking so much for our friends in the hospital and their families that are still missing." In the caption, Bella went on to admit her heart is broken over the news and asks for websites to donate to. So if you thought Gigi and Bella Hadid were raised in Malibu, think again. Just because we saw their late teenage lives filmed there on The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills doesn't mean that they call Malibu home. The Hadids appear to have been predominantly raised in Montecito. But they're not the only high-profile ladies speaking out on the natural disaster. Oprah Winfrey has a home in Montecito and gave a first-hand account of the damage with the fires still blazing and mud in her backyard. Ellen DeGeneres tweeted, "This is not a river. This is the 101 freeway in my neighborhood right now. Montecito needs your love and support." Bella Hadid responded to Ellen's tweet, revealing that some of her friends and their families have been taken to the hospital and some are still missing. We'd like to send our heartfelt thoughts and prayers to those affected by these catastrophic mudslides and flash floods in Montecito and Santa Barbara County. If you'd like to send your well wishes, please leave them below. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm your host, Ava Gordy.